Ringkat bat karihi barok kawai, kejala Megalia ling bakatanat social welfare, hakasi balang jong katayo kum shibenta jong kejing raki, ya ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, kalapenlong ya ka Multi-Stakeholder Symposium, Havivanta Shillong, ya ka balawan banyak shimbenta da kibabuan balang, da kejing temu banyak kun pyrshah ya Drok hakejala.
Ya kani kejingelang lapledu Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba poleng do kumukongsan. Hakabaledon lang kihe officer sorkar kinongelam niam kinongelam seng bahalang kiklik nong sensyar bat kibai-kibai. Habakran ne kejingelang uba poleng do ulong bakalong kebadan kambha banis no aktilang baro ban rat dengkong yu drugs. Lem kumta kalak ban penlong ya kejela Meghalaya ban kelalong kum kejela Punjab. Ulong bakladon kepor baka Punjab kelepau nam bah ki kamelakai bat kamyadari. Henry menta kalau syak penjot hu drugs, badu drugs ula penjot ru ya kalau wai ki kuan samla. Kumta kalong kebadan kam man pet nuksa na ke kebalaja ha Punjab. Bad ban chimi ki senjam menadai ke jelaban laj na ke jing syak penjot hu drugs. Uba poleng do ula kubur ba drugs amdai syu ubalish peniat lenti na ke jela. Henry menta ula rong haman lagi kendong kencerat jong ke jela. Bad kalong kebakong san bah bandan ke jingi iatreilang haki emlang salang banikun pyrshah ya drugs.
Fact that today Meghalaya has moved to a realization that we need to escalate, we need to elevate our engagement on the problem of drug trafficking and drug use is a timely reminder that society has the choice to either be a victor or be a victim of circumstances. Whether the government is serious about tackling the menace of drugs. Today, I could see a number of you coming back to another deliberation invited by Social Welfare Department, which means that the trust deficit has somehow been mitigated. We are coming closer to a point of realization. Because the last time around, I remember one of the leaders of the Donkam asking us whether we are here just to have a cup of tea with you or do you mean business? I think today we have shown that we do mean business. No amount of developmental activities, no amount of investment in tourism, no amount of investment in the road sector can yield the desired results if all our initiatives are towards facilitating and creating infrastructure for a generation of drug addicts and alcoholics. At one point of time, Meghalaya was a transit point of drugs and narcotics, but today it is no longer just a transit point. Drugs have reached every nook and corner of the state. It is very important, and I make this plea to each one of you that we need to put our acts together. Let's not indulge in any blame game. If there are any gaps in policy making, any gaps in the way that the police, the home police functions or the Department of Social Welfare functions, do feel free to interact and point out those gaps and deficiencies to us. But it's very important for each one of us to claim this as our own battle. We are battling a menace that has the potential of destroying society for good.
The realization that we need to improve coordination and convergence between various government departments, that we created a mission called DREAM, which is led at the state level by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. DREAM involves the departments of social welfare, health, home police and education. So it is a collaborative effort meant to minimize any possible gaps in the functioning of various departments and to strengthen the collaboration between the various departments.